You're grocery shopping and ready to check out. You've only picked up a few things, so you decide to save time and use a self-service checkout. Great idea! Until you realize that you can't use it for your fresh bakery items and have to go to a normal checkout. Oh, what an unnecessary hassle. Why can't you use it for all product types? Well, how you'd feel in this situation is the same as how your customers would feel. So, if you have or work with self-service checkouts, or they're going to be introduced soon, your customers would benefit from you making sure their experience is as smooth as possible. The growing popularity of self-service means that it's not enough to just add in a few mediocre self-service checkouts and leave customers to it. Self-service is becoming a customer experience in itself, and it's important to stay ahead of the game. How do you do that, you might be wondering? Well, let's take a look.